I'm learning the equations that I know you'll like. Work equals force times distance. I gotta use the glue just right. You know what I mean. I'm trying to get a good score on the test, just for the cool new sticker. There's nothing left to learn about, unless it's from Miss G. Get physical, physical. I wanna get physical. Let's get into physical. Let me see if you're erect. If you're erect, let me see if you're erect. Inertia is the first property of matter. We learned it from Isaac Newton. Force equals mass times acceleration, gravitationally. I'm trying to find my weight in newtons so I can calculate my g-force. You gotta know that you're bringing out the physicist in me. Let's get audible, audible. I wanna get audible. Let's get into audible. Let me hear your sound waves. Your sound waves. Let me hear your sound waves. Let's get Jaeger, Jaeger. I wanna get Jaeger. Let's get into Jaeger. Let me hear your sonic boom. Your sonic boom. Let me hear your sonic boom. Let's get optical, optical. I wanna get optical. Let's get into optical. Let me find your focal length. Your focal length. Let me find your focal length. Let's get amplitude, amplitude. I wanna get amplitude. Let's get into amplitude. Let me find your crescent troughs. Your crescent troughs. Let me find your crescent troughs.